Jessica Barton here, and I have got to tell you that one of the main reasons I ever got in the motorsports market was because of the adrenaline rush of driving a car or just anything that has to do with it. And one major factor of that is power sports. Power sports, everybody that's got a car in the garage has got a jet ski, has got a four-wheeler, he's got something crazy in the garage. I know it, guys. I'm here joined by John Myers, and we're going to hit a little bit about what KICKR does in the power sports market.
Yeah, you think about it, we've grown up driving cars, and you've got that great KICKR sound. Well, what happens when you want that KICKR sound and you ride a Harley or another motorcycle? We have a power sports application that allows you to control your iPod or any source with a headphone jack right from your motorcycle with the built-in amplifier that's completely weatherproof. So now you can take that great KICKR sound with you out on the open road with that wind in your hair and the bugs in your teeth. Well, hopefully you don't smile a lot when you're riding. Yeah, I know, it happens to all of us. But now you can always have that KICKR sound.
And something that's, obviously was probably a major factor when it came into doing something for power sports was size. I mean, these are not as big as an automobile. So what is it you guys had to do?
Well, if you look at a lot of manufacturers, they're trying to adapt their car audio product to work in a motorcycle, and it just doesn't work. It's too big, it pulls too much current, you don't have big electrical systems, it doesn't fit. So we've engineered very, very small amplifiers, extremely efficient, so they have very low current draw to work with the electrical systems that are available. Some of these vehicles are all electric, they don't even have charging systems. So you don't want to take that energy away from the battery that's going to get you to where you want to go, but you still want your music. What do? You put in a KICKR system.
Well, what is it that you guys offer in the power sports market? I mean, is it speakers, is it amps, like what all is it?
Actually, yes, it is speakers, it is amplifiers, it is the iPod controller. So we have a couple different amplifiers, we have two different power sports amplifiers, we have an iPod controller, and we've got several speakers that are designed specifically for power sports where they're waterproof. You can leave them outside, they can get rained on, they can get hailed on if you're in Oklahoma like we are. They can go through, heat, cold, they're not going to fail. They are specifically designed to work in that environment. Oh, and don't forget, they have that specific KICKR sound. Just remember, when it comes to audio, we're not selling just audio, we're selling emotion. It makes it fun, and that's the whole point. If you're not going to enjoy it, why do it?
Well, for all those fun people out there that like a little wind in their hair, you can also enjoy the sound of KICKR systems. Just go to kickr.com.